there's lots of things we can do in business. And if people are overwhelmed, we got to bring it back to the essentials. So the first framework I'll give you is something that we teach at Success Automation, and it's this one called GPS. In my opinion, one of the most useful and often used frameworks that I use on a day-to-day or a week-to-week basis. GPS means that if you're lost and overwhelmed with too many things to do, the first thing you do is you gather. You gather all the ideas and different things that you have to do, and you kind of write them down. So now you might have a list of, whether it's I've got 50 ideas for a LinkedIn post, 5 product ideas, 7 marketing ideas, whatever they are, write them all down. So they're not swimming around in your head. They're all in one place. Yep. Once you gather them all, you prioritize, also known as pick. So if you've got 50 different things, you pick the most important ones because you can't do everything. Relieve the pressure off yourself. No one has time to do everything because it takes 2 seconds to have an idea. And, in between 2 minutes to 2 years or more to
exactly.
to execute. I've got an idea. I should write a book. Yeah, you know how long that's going to take? A 2-second idea is, and then 2 seconds later you have another idea. I should do a carousel ad on a Facebook ad. That's going to take another hour or something. So don't think that just because you had the idea you have to follow it through. It's just a question of, are you working on your highest priority?
Yeah.
Not, am I getting everything done? And then the S stands for, start. And if you can't start it right now, it stands for schedule. So whenever you've got so many things, you could use this at the start of your day. Today is Thursday. I've got 1,000,001 things to do. Well, what are those things? Okay. The truth is, if you've got 50 things on your to-do list, but you still got to pick up the kids, you still got to do this, you might only have 6 hours of time for work. So, and then 3 hours is, calls and other things. So you've only got 3 hours to do 50 things. Relieve that pressure. Out of those 50 things, what are the let's say 3 things I'm going to do? So,
which I get out of the prioritize and then schedule them into my day.
That's right. And then the last thing I would say is you want to focus on what we call the essentials. The essentials. So if you're trying to get, I read a great book called Essentialism. The core of the book, or the essentials of the Essentialism book, is to get a result. What are the things that must happen?
Okay.
What's the thing that moves the needle? So I'll give you an example. If I'm trying to, what's the marketing method that you're trying to use to attract clients, Petra?
I haven't got there yet because I just got overwhelmed with the idea, with the concept I've put together, and I scared myself.
Okay, so I'll give you.
And so what I was thinking of, email and Facebook.
Okay, so let's say we've got email and you've got an email list.
Yep.
What do you need? You need a subject line, which comes with an idea. You need to write some content, probably giving value. And you need a call to action. Once they click that call to action, maybe the call to action is something as simple as, if you would like help doing this, I've got a free, XYZ assessment for you. Just hit reply, and then we can see if you're the right fit and book in a time. So if I do that, I don't need a website all done.
Exactly. I was just thinking that.
Yeah. I don't need a blog. I don't need all these other things. I don't need a whole social media presence. If I'm just doing email and that's the main thing, then that's all I need right now. So I can forget about all the other things that I need to do and just focus on the most important one. And if email is not the most important one, then even forget about the email then, because it comes down to GPS. You had 7 different things. Let's say it's email, social media, ads, keynote speaking, joint venture. All right. Out of all of those, though, which is the most, you've done the gather, which is good. Out of all of those 5 ideas, which is the most important one for me right now? The best use of my time today. Let's say you think that's email because I've got 75 people on my list. It's easy to send out. It's essentially free. It's quick. There's low tech in order for me to do it. I'm gonna pick that one. Then you start/schedule. Let me give you one more, not to overwhelm you, but when it comes to prioritize, let me give you a framework within the prioritize, which is extremely simple and powerful. So within prioritize, there's a framework called ICE. If you're thinking, how do I know which of these 7 or 70 things to actually pick?
Yep.
First, we go for impact. What's going to have the biggest impact? Like, give me the most amount of clients, as an example. Then the next is confidence, as in, how sure am I that it will work? So let's say you've never done a Facebook ad before. Well, your confidence might be a bit lower. But let's say you regularly send out emails and people reply, then your confidence will be higher. That factors into your decision of what to prioritize. And then last but not least is ease. How easy is it going to be to do? You know, ease of how much time it takes, ease of how much energy it takes. Like if you don't, let's say you don't enjoy technology and you know you're going to have to learn about a whole bunch of techie stuff, well, then that's not easy. But if it's just sending an email to 50 people, and let's say you already have MailChimp, like you just said, and you already know, oh, that's quite easy. I just go to MailChimp, go to the list, send it off. It's like a 5-minute thing. Well, once the email is written, it's a 5-minute thing. Well, then that's quite easy. And now to write the email with the power of chatbots, etc., it becomes a bit easier.
Yeah.
So based on the impact, confidence, and ease, I know how to prioritize. So once you've got your whatever it is, let's say it's a Facebook ad. What are the essential things that must happen in order for that Facebook ad to get a result? I would say you want to run an image ad with text. Doesn't have to be a video. You can still get results with image and text. In fact, in recent months, image ads are working even better with the algorithm changes, better than they used to. But I've always said, even before this, that image and video ads, they both have their place, and you should do both. Because if you're going to do a video ad, I know it's a bit of a tangent, but if you're going to do a video ad, you may as well take that text and create an image ad, because the image ad takes 2 seconds to create an image. You know, chatbots, stock photos, you know, Google images that you've already got of yourself or your, you know, your work that you do, you on stage and things of that nature. So what are the essential things you need for a Facebook ad? Image and text. You don't even need a website. They could go to an instant form. So you don't need followers. You don't need a website. You don't need a business card, brochure, blogs, anything like that. You don't even necessarily need a booking system. Like you can book me. The most essential thing is you have the image and text ad. I would have variations of those, not just test one thing. Then they would fill in a form. And then when they fill in the form, you call them and organize a time to speak. So how are you going to speak? Probably either on phone or Zoom. If you're going to do a Zoom account, I believe it's still, correct me if I'm wrong, but 40 minutes. For a one-on-one meeting, there is I think no time limit. We've got a paid account, but anyways, it's quite cheap, even if you have to pay for that Zoom account. So you just focus on those things only. A good question you can ask yourself is this. First off, something is essential if you must have it in order to get the result. Something is not essential if you remove it and you still get the result. It was by definition not essential. So if I can get clients without a business card, that business card was not essential. If I'm running a Zoom event, and you see Authentic Education run Zoom events, and we've got a lot of bells and whistles, if you can remove that and still get a result, it was not essential. We don't have a brochure like Authentic. You don't need that to get a result. We don't have volunteer crew. You don't need that to get a result. We don't have pretty slides. Well, we can still get a result without that. So therefore, not essential. We don't have an MC intro, a 3-minute intro, not essential. Because you can spend hours and hours getting sidetracked on all those things I mentioned. MC intro, pretty slide, just a brochure, that could be a 10-hour rabbit hole that overwhelms you, but it is not
Yeah.
essential. So we need to build it. Think of it like the core of an apple or something and the core of an onion. We've got to build it from the essential core. Once we've got that core, we can add on all these other bells and
Yeah.
whistles. It needs to grow from the inside out. So don't worry too much about all these other things that people have. It's just the essentials. When Authentic Education started, we didn't have a company name or a website. We sent out an email from our own personal email addresses, and we invited people to a paid event, not even a free event. And we said, just bring cash on the day when you attend, and hit reply to this email. So no booking system. Hit reply to this email with all the names of the people who are going to attend. That's it. No website, no booking system, no payment system, just cash on the door. And we start, because those other things weren't essential. What you did need is you have to let people know. You have to give them a time and a date and a location. And you have to get up on stage and say some stuff, give value, and have an offer at the end. That's the main thing. We didn't even have a credit card, a proper credit card system. I didn't know when I first started how to get someone's credit card number and bill them. So what we first did was you had to bank transfer us. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Or give us cash.
Yeah.
Because our first event was only sold for $97. So you had to give us $100 and I would give you $3 back.
Like, yeah.
And thanks for the. So just focus on the essentials.